Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Listen and chant. 10 little camels.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little camels, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little camels, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little camels, 10 little camels here.
Exercise 2. Listen and say.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Fun time. Exercise 3. Clap and guess the number. How many times did your teacher clap?
Are you ready? Let's start.
I know. 5. I know. 3. I know. 7. I know. 4.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.